Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about LinkedIn Premium versus the Sales Navigator, also from LinkedIn. Now, these are two very different premium subscription, but they're both by LinkedIn. And for LinkedIn Premium, this is a subscription model that could help you discover relevant opportunities, customize and build credibility, find and message people, and get exclusive insights. Now, LinkedIn Premium also have a couple of things that's AI powered, like insights on job, message, profile writing assistant, and AI powered coaching with LinkedIn Learning, right? And they advertise that premium members get 4 times more profile views and premium members have 14 times more connections, right? For the premium one, you could get this in-mail. Message anyone outside your network within 5 emails per month. So you can message someone outside of your network, right? And you can also have search insights and profile benefits, like get competitive insights about other applicants and also companies. And so basically, LinkedIn Premium is more for those who wants to network, right? Meanwhile, Sales Navigator is more directed to people in sales, and it offers things like identifying all key contacts inside your target accounts with advanced search filters here. And you can uncover connection, you can see past customers, and the thing that I mentioned earlier, advanced search. And you can also unlock high quality conversation and win deals with these sale navigator features, right? So which one is better? It depends. It depends on what you need. Do you want to network or are you a sales? And depending on your needs, either of these can be a good options for you.